How to remove payment method on Temu. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily remove the payment method on the Temu app. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Temu application and make sure that you are logged into your account. So simply go ahead and click on the sign in option. First, head over to the use section and then sign into your account. Now, once you are signed into your account here, you should be able to see your payment methods. So you can find it if you head over to the use section and then tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right besides the headphones icon. Then from here, you can click on your payment methods. From here, you will see if you've added any payment method or not. So if you've added a debit or credit card, you will have an option to remove your card instead of this add your card. So if you've already added it, just tap on remove your card, and then you should be asked to enter a new payment method, or you could just completely remove it from your account. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.